Why do Japanese people live so long? How is it possible that so many of them live past 100, active, smiling, and full of energy? Japan is home to some of the world's healthiest and longest living people, but this isn't luck or magic, it's lifestyle. In this video, you'll discover 5 powerful secrets behind their extraordinary longevity, and how you can apply them to live a longer, healthier life. Let's start with food, because what you eat literally builds your body. The traditional Japanese diet is packed with fish, seaweed, vegetables, tofu, miso, rice, and green tea. It's low in processed sugar and unhealthy fats. But here's the real secret. They follow something called hara hachibu, a rule that means eat until you're 80% full. This simple habit prevents overeating, supports digestion, and keeps the body in balance, all of which are essential for longevity. In Japan, exercise isn't something scheduled. It's part of daily life. People walk everywhere. They garden. They ride bikes. Even in their 80s or 90s, many are still climbing stairs and staying mobile. This daily lumpak movement keeps joints flexible, muscles strong, and the heart healthy, without the need for intense workouts. What gets you out of bed in the morning? In Japan, they have a beautiful concept, Ikigai, meaning a reason for being. It could be caring for a pet, growing vegetables, helping others, or enjoying a simple morning routine. Having purpose, no matter how small, fuels motivation, protects mental health, and adds years to life. Loneliness is deadly, but not in Japan. Older adults stay deeply connected to family, friends, and their community. They live in multi-generational households, attend local events, and maintain lifelong friendships. Strong social bonds reduce stress, improve emotional health, and literally extend life expectancy. In Japan, healthcare is about prevention, not just treatment. Regular checkups are common. People track their health closely, and the system encourages healthy habits from a young age. By catching health issues early and building wellness into everyday life, they reduce disease and increase vitality. So, what's the secret to living 100 years, Japanese style? Eat clean and stop before your full move naturally. Every day, discover your Ikigai, your reason to live. Stay close to family and friends. Care for your health before it becomes a crisis. It's not about just living longer. It's about living better. If this inspired you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon. Let us know in the comments. What's your Ikigai? And stay tuned for more videos on health, happiness, and the science of longevity.